Coming to the life cycle of the ergot alkaloid, generally the life cycle of ergot alkaloid consists of three phases, which we are going to discuss one after another. First one is known as speculial stage, also known as sexual stage or development stage. The ovary of the rye plant is infected by the ascospores of the fungus in spring. So here the ovary which is present in the rye plant is infected by the fungus. Now the ascospores during the favorable condition, means in cold climate, it germinates and form a thread-like structure known as hyphal strands. These hyphal strands having the penetration property, and it invade the wall of the ovary in the presence of enzyme and form mycelium over the surface of the ovary. This mycelium secretes a viscous sugary fluid. This sugary fluid is known as honeydew. So that's why this step is also known as honeydew step. Simultaneously, the hyphal strand produce asexual spore, which is also known as canidiospores. These canidiospores remain suspended in the sugary liquid known as the honeydew. This attracts the insects and several other animals like ants and others. So these animals carry these ascospores from the host plant to another plant. So this is regarding the speculial or the ascospore stage. Next one, second step is the sclerotium stage. The hyphae further invade into the ovary, and as the time progresses, that slowly replace the soft ovarian tissue of the rye plant with compact tissue, very hard tissue known as pseudoparenchyma cell. So the ovary cells are slowly converted to the hard parenchymatous cell. This is dormant stage, and the ergot alkaloid is maximum in this phase. That's why generally in sclerotium stage the ergots are collected. Third stage is known as the ascospore stage. Sclerotium develops into stromata in elongated form. So here the stromata is formed. Don't get confused with stoma and stromata. Stoma means it is the epidermal opening which is present in the leaf, whereas stromata is present in the ergot alkaloid. Each stromata has globular head and elongated stalk. Head portion has many perithecia. The perithecilium is flask-like and has sex-containing ascospores. So mainly they contain ascospores. The ascospores are sexual spores which capable of inducing fresh life cycle of the fungus by infecting ovary of the rye plant again. So this process, so from ascospore stage to sclerotium stage to speculial stage, this process is a cycle and it continues. That's why it is known as the life cycle of ergot alkaloid. So in brief, we discussed about the three various stages of the ergot alkaloid, which consist of speculial stage, which is also known as the ascospore stage, followed by sclerotium stage and the ascospore stage. Let us see the diagram of this. You can find here, this is the life cycle of ergot alkaloid. So here the life ergot the rye is infected, rye plant is infected by the fungus Claviceps, followed by the speculial stage is organized, where mycelium is developed and honeydew also formed. and from the honeydew, due to the presence of maybe insects or ants, these ascospores are spreaded into different parts of the plant, either for the same plant or to the individual plant also. Later in the next phase, the ovary is matured with the parenchyma cell, where the alkaloid is maximum in content. Next one is the ascospore stage, which is also known as the asexual stage. These ascospores are again present in the rye plant, and slowly it is being circulated from one plant to another, and the life cycle continues. So this is in brief regarding the life cycle of ergot alkaloid, and this is very important as far as your examination point of view.